very successful. So I'm gonna go to. So welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk, as usual, as always, about Elementor, about WordPress and Elementor. My name is Xanthi S, and I do WordPress and I build websites with WordPress. And my tool of choice is Elementor, both the free version and the pro version. But today we're gonna be talking about the pro version because I'm gonna show you how to build a theme, how Elementor gives you the possibility, the ability, the capability, whatever it, to build your own theme. So it's not just about, hello George, hi. It's not just about creating a page and every time you need to build a page on your website and drag and drop elements, but to, how is my hair? Just see my hair, it's okay, yeah. But it's also about building a theme. So you will have a certain page layout that you will be able to use for your static pages. You can build your archives, which is the blog list page. You can create a theme for blog posts and so on. So I have been using this version of, I have been using Elementor for building themes or templates, so you probably have seen me, but today I'm just going to show you the whole process if you want to build something, to have it your own. And I also have the Elementor's documentations for reference because I don't remember everything by heart, but we will do it here together. It's also good for me to check the different options they have. It's good to read the documentation sometimes, right? Because often I am guilty. I try to read the documentation, of course, if it's something new, but how many times do we just, when we get a new program, a new software, we just start clicking around and playing with it and thinking that we are going to figure it out, but we don't? Yes, it's a matter of consistency, George. It's convenient to have it. And I don't know, I'm sure Divi has a similar function, right? I mean, you have themes also that you can build. What does that mean? RTFM. I don't know, George. Please educate me. Professor, guys, he used to be a teacher, a professor. So we should call you Professor George. So before we go there, let me just test drive my click to actions. This is my website. Go visit my website. And George, let me tell you a funny story about my website. I will tell you in a second. So yes, join the guild, join us, the creatorsguild.app or creatortoolkit.com. Go there if you want to be a streamer like me. Well, I'm a streamer. Okay, I'm live streaming, yes. Or a content creator, like making vlogs or making recorded video or make a podcast. George, you should be making tutorials. I know you have a lot of work to do. I know your schedule pretty much. But if you start doing it, and I'm addressing it now to you, George, but you, all of you, let's make a parenthesis from WordPress. I didn't forget the Divi theme builder. I told you, isn't there something on Divi as well? I'm sure there is. It's not like it's Elementor only specific. It's just that I have never used the Divi theme builder. Oh yes, is it the one that I go and I edit the headers and the footers on the other website? Isn't that? Yes, that it is the same everywhere, of course. Yes. Yes. So yes, you should try and find like 5-10 minutes, find something that you want to talk about, find a tutorial, because you have so many materials since you are expert in Divi and WordPress. Okay, find a simple one, start simple. How to upload your logos with Divi, as I did yesterday, how to upload images using Divi, how to edit text using Divi, because I'm sure beginner people, bloggers, vloggers, or people that just start the website, that they're not developers and they just purchase Divi to build for their own business website, they have no idea. I had no idea how to go to Divi and edit text. So just make small things like that. Not one day, today or tomorrow. Can I say bad word? I will beep your beep to do that. Bust is the first word. word. Yes, so that you do it, because you have to do it. Just you're making tutorials for me every time with the Loom. Why not make them, not the ones that you're making for me, but make them for YouTube, right? Yes. And I forgot where I was going at. Not one day, tomorrow. Today you're going to rest. Tomorrow I will tell you, I will remind you. So yes, it is all about consistency, to have a theme with WordPress and Elementor. And I was talking about being a content creator. I am so not organized, so not structured. My brain is a chaos. So if you like chaos, you should come and join me here. And of course, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like. If you have a chaotic brain like I do, you should definitely follow me. We should definitely be friends. Definitely. I just noticed that I don't have my blink, my light here in the back. Sorry, I have to fix it. My phone here, Chanji. Here is my phone, and I have it there to charge. And I'm going to the Philips Hue app, and I'm going to turn on the light here. And it is daylight, as you see, but it's nice to have some lights in the background. Yeah. And maybe I will turn off because I see. Yeah, let's make it like this. Yes, we're here. So let's get on with the show. And the show is WordPress and Elementor and themes. Yes. So I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna log into my website. As always, this is what I do. I just go to my website and destroy it, of course, and everything. So where is it? Yep, there it is. Window capture, find my, not this one, this one. Yes, here we are. Hi. So this is my website, and out of curiosity, George and people, there is something that is called web accessibility. So long story short, I'm not going to talk about it. It just happened that I was investigating the subject today, and I was curious about my own website. I have built my website. I'm not a designer, okay? I don't have design education, so to speak. So what I do is I have designers around me, and they give me their designs, and I just put them in WordPress and I fix it. Or I work with themes. Maybe someone has bought a theme and they need help to set it up. I do that. Or I just buy a theme, ready-made theme that can fit someone's needs, and I work with it. But I'm not a designer. So whatever I have built here, I have built it with whatever design experience and inspiration I have gotten from the people surrounding me, or from YouTube inspiration. I'm watching some design tools. Is it my son coming? My little boy? I'm hearing voices all the time. Stuff like that. So I installed some plugins, I installed extensions on Chrome that tells you how accessible is your website. I am not good in that, in accessibility, because it's, as George said, we talked about it earlier, it's a whole thing. You need to program the website in a certain way, if I may say so. Maybe not program it, but think about some design, visual, structural things. But we're not going to talk about that. It's just that I was curious. I said my website must be horrible. So what I do is, if we go to inspect here, and I got this Chrome extension, Axe Coconut, and I got it from the Flux YouTube channel. It's called Flux F. I don't know if I pronounced correctly. FLUX. He's a web designer, and he's using Webflow, competitor to WordPress. But I'm watching his videos because he's talking not only about Webflow. He's talking about many things. So he was talking about accessibility, and he had some extensions to suggest to check if your website is like that. So I was curious about my own website, and I wanted to scan. Let's scan it live here. Let's do the scan. I have only 19 issues. Accessibility is hard, George. Yes, it is. And mostly, if I highlight it, it's about the colors here. It says it is not contrast enough. The element has insufficient color contrast, so I have to do something. I have black background with white text, and the links are this purple, which I could, for the links. Hi, Grimskull. Maybe Grimskull has some input in that, even though you're not doing websites, you're doing design, but yes. But maybe, I was reading a lot about it today, about this subject, accessibility, and if I understood it correctly, the links, it's good, the links to have those hover effect, but the link underneath, so don't count only on the color itself to make something look like a link. It was something in that direction, but also maybe my brain wanted to understand that it's only about the underlying link, but I might have to think it again. But it was only 19 issues when it comes to accessibility. Grimskull, do you have experience in that, or it's not something you work with? So yeah. What is that also? Heading order invalid. Probably, what did I have? I have like a H4 and H4 element location. I have like an H2 and then I went to H4 without going to H3. But okay, I would say minor. Alt text, yes, definitely. Alt text is like, okay, the basic. It needs to have alt text. Or your images should have alt text. But apparently it's not only that, apparently from what we were discussing today, it's a whole different science. But those bloody mosquitoes here, go away. George has a very good question. Grimskull, are you a He-Man fan? But the power of Grayskull, something like that, He-Man and She-Ra. Okay. I was going to talk about themes in Elementor, but He-Man, it's more fun to talk about He-Man and She-Ra. But okay, I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna show you how to make a theme using Elementor. I was watching She-Ra, of course, and He-Man also, but She-Ra, so yes. So if I go into, we go to dashboard, and there are many different ways where you can access and build the theme. What I find just easy for me to do is if you go to your dashboard and you have installed Elementor Pro, okay, you have here, I'm going to bring it closer to me. You have here, if you see on the side, you have somewhere Elementor, yes, but we don't want Elementor. We want templates here, templates. On the templates, we have here Theme Builder. If you click on that, I have made some templates now. You can ignore the things that I have made here, but you have a tab of things here that you see. It's a header, it's a footer. You have a single post, single page, archive, search results, error 404, single product and products archive. Because I have installed WooCommerce, it has brought up those two extra tabs. What does that mean? It means that you can create a header, a footer, a single, I think single should refer to a single section maybe, or is it, I just made a landing page on this one. Because what is the difference between a single and a single page? But maybe it's just single. I should know that difference, but what I use is header, and I have made my header, my footer. I have a footer, my new footer, footer new. Which one is the new? It's the one that is on the entire site. And then you can create here. I have made a few different layouts until I decide which one I like for my blog posts, a single post. And here I made recently a single page single page template updated. And archive, this is the archive which I have named blog. And this is where you make a template for all how you want to present your blog post as a list. And here is the search results, which I haven't done. Create your first search results. Error 404, this page is not found. And we have a single product. I have made something here. And the product archive, products list draft. So the thing is that with those things, you can create something that you can use on your website on repeat automatically without making it again. So if I want to make a blog post, I have here a template that this will be used every time I make something. And I mean, that is the point of having a theme. You purchase a theme or you find a theme in the WordPress gallery, and it has a universal, layout, graphics. But if you want to, you can build your own if you know how to do it, or if you have an inspiration, or if you're a designer, or if you're not a designer but you just want to make something that is your own. Yes, as long as it doesn't look ugly. But then what is ugly? That is very subjective. But yes, the point is that you can create for every different element of your website, or for every different page need, you can create a theme here. So Grimskull was my trigger, says George. I have watched it when I was a kid, but other than that, no, says Grimskull. No, single is like product, single products, for example. Yeah, but then you have single and you have single products. So what is the difference? I don't know. If someone knows, let me know in the comments. Or if it's something different. Is it that? Then we have two of the same. I don't know. I don't know. I can admit it. The mosquitoes, I have to do something here. I have to exterminate them before I go live. Okay, sorry for that. And there is another way where you can access and view the Elementor theme gallery, or theme, options. And if I go to let's go to a page. We just go to a random page, because when we go to a page and we open the Elementor editor, we get access to everything. Let's go here. Header new, site settings. No, let's go to about me. Let's see. I want to edit with Elementor. Just edit with Elementor, yeah. And here, I have been working also on my SEO a bit. I have to write some blog posts to rank. I mean, I said yesterday, I was ranking. I was discovered by Google for how to vlog with your XR phone 10R. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that I want to be found for more things, not just that. But maybe for blogging, or for making WordPress, or for WordPress mostly. I don't know. We will see. So here I'm gonna go to the three lines up here, the hamburger menu, and here we have site settings, and right below we have theme builder. If we click on that, what happens? Here we are. So here we have like a kind of a preview of all the different layouts we have made. I have made some. As you see, I have blog post 2, blog, header new, footer new, single product, landing page. Where is the single? I want a single. And here we have side parts. So this is, if I click on the header, it shows me the header that I have created. It doesn't look very good here. It looks a bit bigger than it is, but okay. And here we have the footer. We have the new footer, and we have this one. I don't want this one, or is it the one? Stay in touch? No. Since I don't want it, I can just delete it and get rid of things that I don't use, right? Trash. Move to trash, yes, because this is the one that I'm using. Follow me on my social media platforms. Feel free to follow me. Then we have the single post. Oh my God, I have so many here. Yeah, because I wanted to find something better. So I have these. And then I have... No, this is definitely not it. No. I don't want that blue thing. No, delete. Trash. Move to trash. This one. No, And it's not because it's white. I mean, I can change the color, but no. Trash. Let's move to trash. I mean, I could like this one, I think. No. But this is for a single post and this is a landing page. This is not supposed to be here. I'm going to trash that as well. Move to trash because I want to have it clean. So this is a blog post, a single post. And if I click here, add new, what happens then? Elementor will take me to its gallery. Yes, blocks, pages. And it will bring me automatically some blog post layouts. So I can find something. I have been trying to find something that I like for a long time. And I mean, I can just build something my own. Like I have my menu already. I can just put a picture for the feature image and some simple text. Doesn't have to be more advanced than that. I don't want anything that more fancy. I mean, this one, the Japanese, it's okay. And I can just make the background black and the text white, right? I'm getting hungry now that I look at it. It makes me hungry. Yeah. It takes its time to load. So let's wait here together. Hi. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button. No, I'm not actually on Facebook today, only on YouTube. So thumbs up and subscribe. Yes. And here I have my subscribers list. 186. Who are you? Thank you so much. One more. I got one more yesterday and then I lost one this morning. I'm not obsessing. I mean, it's just for fun. I'll just have it there and I look at it, says a person that is looking at it all the time, but not really, for fun. Now I have one more and 482 on Instagram. Nice. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate every single one of you that has taken the time to subscribe and showed interest in my channel. So yes, let's go back. Now it has loaded. There we are. Oh my God, this picture looks a bit creepy. Maybe not very good quality. It's too big. Maybe I should make it a bit smaller. Like, I like compact things. Like, it doesn't have to be as big. So yes. I mean, edit feature image size full. I think this has to be full here, but the width, it can be a bit smaller here. Percentage, let's make it 50%. But I want it to be aligned in the center. How do I do that? Here it is, center. There it is. So this is the feature image, and this is okay. This is my most recent like live stream that I did, how to set up your WordPress blog. When did I do that? I don't remember, but okay. Table of contents, no headings were found on this page. Okay, so I'm gonna make it dark. And to do that, I'm going to, let's see, the page, general settings, Elementor, single post, style, background, let's see, dark gray. Yes, so this is dark now, but of course I have to change the text to something readable. Wait, what? You have a display for that? You must still... What? You mean the metrics? Yes, it's called, I think it's French, La metrics. David has one also. I didn't know that. I didn't copy it. My boyfriend got me as a present for my birthday. So I'm not copying him. Yes, and it has so many cool things. You can have your social media accounts. So I'm having the YouTube and the Instagram followers and Facebook followers. It doesn't show the followers actually on Facebook. It shows page likes. They don't have the page followers, but it doesn't matter. Have that. And it can show Spotify when I play music. You can have like Bitcoin information, like stock exchange information. It has so many different things. You can play the radio. You have it. It is a great gadget. It's a great gadget. Yes. It has the weather. You can have the date, of course, the time. It has also Pomodoro, the timer, 25 minutes, and the temperature. I said that. What else? It has so many things. I don't even remember. It's a very fun gadget. Very fun gadget. So yes. So let's fix my single post. Now the title. I'm gonna make it white. Typography H1. Yes, because for accessibility we need to have H1. Text color, it needs to be that. Okay, how to start? I don't know if I want to have it bigger though here. Maybe style. Right, padding. If I don't put padding, I don't want it to be. It depends how the title is, but I don't want so much space. I don't know. To style. I'm gonna just fix the title a bit here on the typography. We can change the line height. It's 2.1. I think it's too much, so I'm gonna make it a bit like this. Yeah, those red colors here, they're going to be pink. No, not that. Primary. It's the list, the space between, wait, icon, text, the text color, this one here, that, and all the text here, it needs to be white. Yes, and we did change the colors on this one, right? I mean, I have to change them. They don't, I'm not going to columns, Facebook, network. Oh yeah, where did I do that? Skin, flat, gradient, no, minimum, shape. It was something else that I made it, not minimal, flat. I changed them, they looked better. Icon and text, or was it on the style? On the style was it? Yes, color, that's custom. Not that pink. I don't want necessarily that, the rounded corners, so, but I select that. Okay, and I don't want Pinterest. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn is fine. Yes. Where do you want to display your template? There is where I'm going to select now, add condition to select it, to put it, to display it everywhere. By that, I mean to all my blog posts. Whenever I write a new article, it's going to look like this. Let me see also if I have forgotten something. Include all posts. All. Elementor recognizes that you have set this location for other templates. Blog post too. Yes, but I don't want the other. I want this one. And I'm gonna change the text here. Current post, source, wait, leave a reply. But I want this to be the text, not like that. Cannot I change the color on this one? Well, I can probably do some CSS for that. Text. What does that mean on key? I don't know. But I'm going to, it's a divider. I'm gonna put a star. I'm gonna put it in the middle. And I'm gonna change the color to pink. And the icon, it's going to also be pink. Yes. When you are an influencer, you have all the things. Must be why I don't know, Creamskull, and I'm not an influencer, you guys. I wish I was. I mean, where do you define the influencer? How many likes or how many followers is someone an influencer? I think I have to have like 3 zeros at least in front or after, right? So I'm not. It's a cool gadget, Creamskull. Get it. It's fun. It can play the radio also, and you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. The quality is not the best, but you know, if you don't have anything else and you want to use it, it gets the job done. Yes. I don't know what I want to do with those white, those things here. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. table of contents. Yes, it's good to have if you have that. Like if you are writing a blog post and you have the headers, the headings H1, H2, H3. It's good because you have a table of contents with Elementor, so it can make that list next to you. So I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna make it a bit darker. The border color, the header, text color. Let's make it. No. If I'm going for accessibility, I'm going to be fail. Let's have it white. And the background, let's make it a bit darker. Let's have it like this, yeah. And the list, the color, no headings are found on this page. Marker color. Which one is a list header? Max height. Isn't this supposed to be like that text color underline? Yes, but maybe because there's nothing, it doesn't show anything. Okay, update. So if I go now to my blog posts, this is it, and I click something. Yep, it looks like that. Maybe the table of contents, I should remove it because it's not so often that I write so many big blog posts. This is a very old image. I should have my new logo, right? Grimskull? Why do I have this very old? I mean, that must be like 10 years old, this picture. But I need to change it on my gravatar, right? Yeah. So this one, I'm going to just delete it. Bye-bye. It's gone. It is gone. And update. So, yes. So if we go back here now to theme builder, sorry, I'm going to delete the other thing that I made, the other single post. So this is what I made today. This is the old one, and trash. I should give it a name. Edit. And I'm going to settings title here, and I'm going to name it a blog post, not psot, post template. So, but this is just, it doesn't show. Here, no, it is working great. This was just for inside the page. Yep, they're not aligned. I should put it online image because it doesn't look very aligned, or I should align the text to the center. Maybe it looks a bit weird. Yeah, I should do that actually. I don't need this table here on the side, or maybe I can just leave it. I'm going to do something that George doesn't like doing. I'm going to just leave it in case I want to add something in the future. I'm just dragging it and dropping. I'm dragging, not dropping. I'm just dragging. George, it's percent. It's changed it by percent. Don't worry. But I want to make it. Actually, if I want to have it like on top, I have to remove it. If I want to add it in the future, I will do it. So yes. So here it is, and. Just going to, this is boxed 1400 pixels, and this one is also full width actually. Okay, yeah, but I made the image 50%. So let's see, I think I'm just gonna put some I'm gonna change this is black as well. Put some paddings, on the side, and let's see if I start with 50 and 50, what happens? Not much. I think I have to go 150. Then we're getting somewhere. Let's see. No. I don't, does it look like that? Doesn't look like that. It's a bit smaller. Or no, it become a bit... Wait, I'm destroying it now. You see? When I tell you that I'm not a designer, this is what I mean. Wait, no. I want to make it 50%. Doesn't go? No? No? No, okay. Then I'm going to... We need to go more. Maybe like this. George says no comments. It works great, George. Let's see. So no, I'm not happy with it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do Control Z, and I'm just going to take it back to what it was. I think I have to go a bit more. Column width edited. There it is. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this one here, and we're going to not have it full width but boxed and 1400, and now they are should be aligned, both of them. Let's see. Yeah, they are some pixels, maybe not, or is it just a trick, a graphics trick? Or let me just see. I think it is some padding here. There is here something on this one. Can put I think now we are aligned. Yeah. I mean, at least no one is talking about day drinking. What do you mean? Who is drinking? Who is day drinking, Grimskull? What is the expression? It is 5 p.m. somewhere. It's definitely more than 5 p.m. here. So yeah, let's see how it looks now. The thing is, it's a video. It's not text. It's a video. And why? How can I make this smaller? I think I have to go to the text itself, to the post itself. Let me edit post. So this one, does it have like a height, width and height? Can I manually play with those things? Like if I make it 500 so that it's a bit more higher, will it do anything? I mean, it should be proportional. It should change. If I change the height, the width should be right. It got a bit bigger. It is cropped for a reason. I don't understand. Then I'm gonna do some more. The 560 here. This is completely random, okay? I'm not recommending doing what I'm doing. The point is not changing the height and the width of the Facebook frame. The point is to make a nice template for your blog posts. So, but I don't want it to be, no. Make it square. It's not really square. What will happen now? I wonder. Grimskull. It usually happens when Impartial Geek starts fiddling with size graphics. Yeah. Okay, the day drinking. Oh my god. Are you going to start drinking now, Grimskull? Is that what you're trying to say in a polite way? So, because you are, you know, graphics more expert, and I completely, I think it needs to be a bit higher. It's cropping something here on the bottom. So I'm not doing it a very good job. There should be certain dimensions of those things, right? Let's do 50 pixels, only 50. Yeah, okay, we'll try, right? Okay, no, I mean, no one is talking about doing so. You're good. Okay. Okay, I take it as a good thing. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, view post. Okay, we're good. Something's happening here. Okay, so that, like the whole frame is here. Okay, and this is how you make, guys and girls, a blog post template. Now, what else can we do? Let's go back. And we go to theme builder here from Elementor. And what do we have? Single post. Yes, that's what we did now, right? Great. We have single page. I have made a page actually, single page template, single updated page. So this is a landing page. I shouldn't be having those here because there is a landing page section in Elementor. So I'm going to delete that. It's not like I have done anything. I just took a ready-made template to work with and play around a bit. So trash. So here I took the page that I have made for all my links. I have named it my offers, which, speaking of search engine optimization, I'm not exactly convinced if that is the best word, but at least it's something that makes people understand, okay, I have something to offer. I made a free WordPress course, which I need to update with a few more classes, like lessons as well. But it's free there for everyone if you want someone to begin with. And then I have some, my starter website package, small stuff like that. So I figured I was happy with how I did it. So I figured I'm gonna keep that layout and use it for other pages. So I started building it here. So this one, it was not finished, so I'm going to delete it. Trash, move to trash, yes. And so this is how you deal with your theme. If you're building a theme, you can go to its section, or it is called here site parts, yeah. And here you can create, as many as you want that you want to use to wherever. I mean, the idea is to make something that will be automatically used all over the website for similar pages. But if you have noticed, I will do it now here. We can do it even from here. You see in the bottom here, instances in the bottom of those squares. I am sharing my screen. You can see it. Yes. But then I talked about it, but not that I'm going to. Okay, good, Grimskull. So here we have instances, no instances. So this template is not used anywhere right now. The thing is that I have some static pages and I don't want it to interfere. So I need to think, because if I edit condition, where do you want to display your template? I can say include all singular. And by all singular, I mean pages. All. Or I can select, or I can say all here, all. And then I can add a condition, exclude. Exclude all singular. And the page that I have already created, let me find them, because I don't want to mess with them. So I have an about me. Oh, I made the portfolio page also. I made it. It's a very simple portfolio. I'm going to show it to you. You want to see and tell me What do you want to see? So I just put 2 websites that I created recently. Things that I am not the designer. Well, kind of, but I'm following here, the client's wish. For the blue one, it was kind of the design that I suggested, but the customer themselves, they are good with WordPress themselves, so they added some elements. It has some more elements. I don't know if it's ethical what I did. It's not like it's a good website. It's just, it was so big, so I had to cut some elements. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to. It would be very big. I don't know. Is that allowed? I mean, I asked him, and he said, of course, you can use it as a portfolio. But, it's missing some elements. Not because I decided I don't want to show them, but because it was too big. It became, I wanted to take the whole print screen for the whole website. And it was very long, very long. So, yeah. I just said, okay, we can cut some things, but if you go and visit the website, it looks like that, plus more. So I don't know. And this one, it was also designed by the customer, actually. He provided to me, and this is not WordPress, okay? I am actually proud of it. It's a very old website, and we are in the process of redesigning it. And he gave me the website, and we don't talk about accessibility or SEO. Okay, we did some SEO, simple ones. I mean, he wants to be found for his name, and we do that. He does that. It is made with HTML. Like I opened a new empty editor and I built it with HTML, head, body, and so on. And I made it 10 years ago. And I'm using a plugin. I bought a plugin for the gallery, and I'm using it, but we're gonna transform it to WordPress, of course, to be able to work more flexibly with it. But the reason why I'm proud is because I made it from zero. So HTML and CSS, very simple, but elegant. I mean, I like the design. It's elegant for what it is. So I made that. So I don't want this page to use the layout that I created, and I don't want the About Me page to have this one. My offers not either, and not the contact page. So I guess those 3 pages, 4 pages, I don't want them to have that layout. So I'm going to exclude portfolio. It's searching. Oh my god, I have many portfolios. Yeah, which one is it? I think it's better if I just go to pages and find all of them that are named portfolio. This is portfolio 3. Oh my god. I'm doing so many different things at the same time. You see, because when I said in the beginning that my brain is chaotic, I have 3 portfolio pages. Okay, so I'm gonna find the most recent one that I made it the other day, this one. And this one, I'm going to take it to bin. And this one also bin. So we have only the one that I want. Okay, good. And logging. Here we are. So I don't know now if it's already portfolio. Oh, it got instantly updated. Okay, now, and I'm going to add another condition, and I'm going to select pages and exclude, which means the template that I made are not going to use this layout. Pages, what is the about me? Yeah, add condition, exclude all singular pages with its offers, my offers, add condition. And also I have another on my offers, pages, resources, no, my tools. How did I name that page? No, useful links, useful. I don't even know. Useful links, and also exclude contact pages, contact us. Everything. I have so many pages there, but I'm deleting them slowly. Save and close. So whatever else gets, it's fine, I guess. And I hope it doesn't take the home page. Does it take the page, the starting page? No, because the starting page is like the home page. That would be unfortunate. I should take away. I don't like it that it's loading like this. Yeah, oh my god, it took everything. Oh shit. But I can save it. I'm gonna exclude the home page as well. Exclude front page. Save and close. And now this is how you destroy your website. If you want to destroy your website, there it is. Now we're back. So you, very nice. You are organized. I see. Are you guys being ironic now? But yes, one can be organized with Elementor and the theme builder. One person. No, George, you don't have to do much decoding. I think a bit. I think you understand what I mean. The problem is to explain it to you, to make you understand what I have done. Once you have understand what I have done, then it's easy, right? Yes. So, okay. Let's go back to the other pages. Archive. Now we have the archive. I'm just going to go now a bit fast because it's 9:30 and I want to wrap things up. But we can continue that on a different live stream. I don't know if those live streams that I'm doing now, how much replay value they have. You tell me. But I'm going to cut the intro to the point where I'm starting doing it later on. And that is my plan, at least, so that I can have a more compact tutorial. Yes, so sorry. Yes, so here it is the archive, and this is my archives. I have made it like this. Yes, it's good. It's good. I'm happy. Then we have the search results. I don't have the search results, but the point is, like, if someone is searching something or you end up someone is searching, you need a page to generate whatever search results you have. So I can make one. Blocks. It's kind of an archive as well, yes, because it generates the articles, the results. So I would actually like some sort of list. Yeah. So something like that, maybe. Just a simple one. Loading. So, okay, yeah, I'm not going to edit it now. I'm gonna leave it. Search results for what I can do just fast. If someone goes to my website and decides to search something, I'm just gonna change the background, and Google Plus. Now I'm gonna delete it, and I'm going to style, background overlay, background classic. No, that's not it. Archive posts, that card. Is that the card? Background color. Yeah, maybe have it a bit different so that it differentiates, or maybe like this. I don't know. And image content, the title, white, and read more. Text. Where's the text? Excerpt. Here. Text. Yeah. And default. Doesn't have default. No, I'm going to select it. Text here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna fix it another day and include on search results. Save and close everywhere. Yeah. This white here doesn't look very good for now, but you know what? I don't need that. Also the most popular. Well, it could be. I get the point is that you can send them to somewhere else. Okay, I'm gonna fix it another time later, maybe. Tomorrow, theme builder, we go back. So we have the search results and then single product. I don't have much going on here, but if you have products to sell, you can just find something here. Loading the loading times. Yeah, I mean, you can find something like that and you can insert it. That's a nice cake. That's a nice cake. I could easily eat it. George, it says when I send him a support request at the end of the audio messages, always says, I hope that makes sense. And then he just replayed it a few times. Yeah, well, I might be talking about 3 issues. I don't deny that. Yes. Okay, so yeah, and this is something that will be used for all the products. And if you publish it, you will get with that. If you have a notes, I'm just going. I'm speeding it up. Do I have another one? Maybe I'm working on it. Okay, then I'm gonna close. I'm not going to do it. Where have I saved it? Anyway, and we go back to the theme builder again, and that is the concept. And then you have the product archive. I have a product list. And then we have the error 404. I don't have it, but here you can manage it on the theme builder, Elementor theme builder. You can manage your header. You can have different headers if you want. You can have different headers for different parts of the website for whatever reason. And you can select the conditions, display conditions, single post, single page, and so on. And yeah, that is how you make a theme using Elementor, and how you manage it, and how you can create multiple templates for your theme. So I hope you found it useful and not very chaotic, my little tutorial, my live stream. Give it thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like, everything, do all the positive things. Leave a comment if you have questions about WordPress, about Elementor. I will be happy to help you. And if I don't know the answer exactly, I will try at least to guide you to the right direction. And make sure to, if you subscribe, hit the bell also to get the notifications for when I'm going live. I'm going live 3 times a week, Mondays, Fridays, Sundays. The schedule is a bit, it's around this time. We are freestyling. I'm freestyling because it's summer. The schedules are a bit all over the place. Yes. What else here? Join us at the Creators Guild, creatortoolkit.com by Impartial Geek David Foster. He has put together a great course and about live streaming, about video content creation in general. Go watch it, completely free. Join us in the guild, and if you have questions, we will help you. And the amazing click to actions, all of those things, nice graphics made by Grimskull. And go, if you want to see more of my website, go to accessdesigns.se, the one that I have been showing here. Thank you Grimskull. I will say hi to Henrik. So everyone, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great rest of the week. It's Monday here. I hope you have a great Monday. And I will see you on the interwebs and on Friday for the next live. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.